Hey, Blackjack fans! Let's see if you really know how to handle a soft 16. 3 seconds per question. Make your move. Question 1. What makes a 16 soft in blackjack? The answer is it includes an ace, counted as 11, and a 5, so you've got wiggle room if you hit. Question 2. What's the key benefit of a soft hand? The answer is you can't bust with one hit. That ace gives you a safety net. Question 3. What should you do with a soft 16 against a dealer's 7? The answer is hit. You're behind. Time to improve your hand. Question 4. What's the smart play with soft 16 against a 4, 5, or 6? The answer is double down. Dealers in a weak spot, press your advantage. Question 5. True or false? You should always stand on soft 16. The answer is false. It's a flexible hand. Play it based on what the dealer shows. That's your soft 16 showdown. It's not just the cards, it's how you play them.